Hey everyone, Tiffany again, back on my journey to showing you how to start an online art business. So let's get started. Now I figured the first thing we need to do is come up with a name for ourselves. Coming up with a name can be really hard, especially if you want it right. I mean, on one hand, you want to come up with something that kind of represents you. On the other hand, you want to be able to keep it for a long time because you don't want to keep changing your name. So you don't really want it to sound stupid, and you don't want to hate it in a few months. The other issue I have is, well, I already have a shop, and this art shop is going to be kind of a sister shop to that one. So I wanted to kind of go with it. My toy shop is called Tiffany Lee Studios, and I didn't really think about any other shops when I came up with that name. In fact, I started out by making toys and art in that same shop. But then I limited it back down to toys because that's what they wanted from me. So now I'm actually starting a new shop, a sister shop with the art. I need to come up with a name that goes with Tiffany Lee Studios, but you can tell that it's different since it's a different product. So I started thinking about it and I thought, well, as an artist, maybe I want to have my name in the title, in the shop name. So I thought I can call it Tiffany LaGrange Art or Tiffany LaGrange Studios. Kind of goes with Tiffany Lee Studios, right? But then I thought maybe I want something a little more fun, something not so practical. And I thought, what about Tealy Studios or Tealy Art? And I kind of like the sound of that. So I need your help now. Which do you like? Do you like Tiffany LaGrange Studios or do you like Tealy Art? Let me know down below in the comments and I'll use whatever you tell me to use. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow and we will get started on the next chapter. If you want a shortcut, you could always sign up down below to get the free training from my very own coach who taught me everything I know. Makes it a little easier and quicker than watching one video a day. Alright, I will see you later and check you on the flip side.